Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Can you run?
Yes, I can.
What is this?
It's a ball.
Is it big?
No, it's small.
Where is your bag?
It's here.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
What do you see?
I see a cat.
Is the cat cute?
Yes, it is.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump.
What day is it?
It's Monday.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
Is pizza yummy?
Yes, very yummy.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What is your favorite toy?
My car toy.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
What color is the sun?
It's yellow.
Can you read?
Yes, I can.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is.
What animal do you like?
I like dogs.
Is the dog friendly?
Yes, it is.
Can you clap?
Yes, like this.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
Are you sleepy?
No, I'm not.
What is in your hand?
A pencil.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I do.
What color is grass?
Green.
Can you smile?
Yes.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Is mango sweet?
Yes, it is.
Do you like books?
Yes, I like books.
Can you write?
Yes, I can.
What is your teacher's name?
Miss Sarah.
Is she kind?
Yes, very kind.
What do you wear?
I wear shoes.
Are they new?
Yes, they are.
What is your favorite game?
Football.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I do.
What do you do at night?
I sleep.
Is sleep important?
Yes, it is.
What is on the table?
A book.
Can you count?
Yes, 1, 2.
Are you smart?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite color?
Red.
Do you like red?
Yes, I do.
What is this animal?
It's a cow.
Can a cow run?
Yes, it can.
Where do you live?
I live here.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
I eat rice.
Is rice tasty?
Yes, it is.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
What is your favorite drink?
Juice.
Is juice cold?
Yes, it is.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I do.
What cartoon do you like?
Tom and Jerry.
Are they funny?
Yes, very funny.
What is in the sky?
A bird.
Can birds fly?
Yes, they can.
What do you hear?
Music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite number?
5.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Are you my friend?
Yes, I am.
What do friends do?
They help.
Is helping good?
Yes, it is.
What is this shape?
A circle.
Can you draw it?
Yes, I can.
What do you like to do?
I like to play.
Is playing fun?
Yes, very fun.
What is your favorite place?
The park.
Do you like swings?
Yes, I do.
What is in the box?
A toy.
Is it yours?
Yes, it is.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Is saying thank you nice?
Yes, it is.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I do.
Is brushing important?
Yes, it is.
What do you wear to school?
My uniform.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is.
What is your favorite animal?
A lion.
Is the lion strong?
Yes, it is.
What do you see outside?
Trees.
Are trees green?
Yes, they are.
What do you do after school?
I play.
Do you do homework?
Yes, I do.
Is homework easy?
Yes, it is.
What is your favorite subject?
English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite snack?
Biscuits.
Are biscuits crunchy?
Yes, they are.
What do you say when happy?
Yay!
What do you say when sad?
Oh no!
Can you laugh?
Haha!
What is your favorite time?
Playtime.
Do you like friends?
Yes, I do.
Are friends important?
Yes, they are.
What do you see at night?
The moon.
Is the moon bright?
Yes, it is.
Can you say good night?
Good night.
Do you dream?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite place at home?
My room.
Is your room nice?
Yes, it is.
What do you play with?
My toys.
Are toys fun?
Yes, very fun.
What do you say when you meet someone?
Hello.
What do you say when you leave?
Bye.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I do.
What do you wear on your feet?
Shoes.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are.
What is your favorite sound?
Music.
What do you see in a mirror?
Me.
Are you brave?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to be?
A teacher.
Is teaching good?
Yes, it is.
What do you love?
My family.
Is family important?
Yes, very important.
What do you say to mom?
I love you.
What do you say to dad?
Thank you.
Are you kind?
Yes, I am.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I do.
What do you say when you learn?
I did it.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Can we be friends?
Yes, please.
Do you like English conversations?
Yes, I love them.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.